Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Adab. Welcome to India's largest quiz on sports and fitness. You are here with me, Kamal Bagga, in yet another exciting episode of Fit India Quiz 2023 brought to you by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. This is it. This is D-Day. We are into the Chhattisgarh finals. We have with us 4 fabulous teams, but before that, let's have a look in the rich culture, history and sports of Chhattisgarh.
Welcome to Chhattisgarh, a state filled with diverse cultural and natural wonders nestled in the heart of India. It was carved out of Madhya Pradesh in the year 2000, making it one of the youngest states in India. Chhattisgarh is renowned for its vibrant folk dances like Raut Nacha and Panti, colorful festivals like Bastar Dasara, and ancient architectural marvels like the Sirpur temples and Chitrakoot Falls. Sports hold immense significance in the state, serving as a catalyst for community bonding and physical fitness. From indigenous games like Gedi Kabaddi and Fulpati to modern sports like cricket and football, sports play a pivotal role in the lives of the people, fostering a sense of unity. Hockey star Leslie Claudius and archer Sanan Mitra hail from this state. And now, let us witness the battle of the young minds from Chhattisgarh in this episode of Fit India Quiz.
On team number 1, we have Shelly Sau and Naina Mandal, Swami Atmanand Government English Medium School, Raigad. On team number 2, we have Yaman Mandvi and Sweetie from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Dantewada. On team number 4, we have Mudit Narayan and Mehul from Shri Shankara Vidyalaya, Durg. And our last team, on team number 4, we have Anand Ocha and Jayant Burman from Mona Modern English Medium School, Raigad. Welcome to all the teams and all the best. 4 rounds of quizzing, 4 teams we have, but only one team will prevail who will go into the national finals. And the rules of our first round, get set, go, here they are.
It's time for the first round of the quiz. Get, set, go. In this round, each team, starting with Team 1, will have an opportunity to select a topic of their choice. Remember, once a team has chosen a topic, it becomes unavailable to the other teams. After selecting your topic, a question will be displayed on the screen without any options. You can answer directly and earn 20 points. However, if you are uncertain about the answer, there's no need to worry. You can opt to view the options. Once the options are revealed, you will have 3 opportunities to choose the correct answer. If you guess it correctly on the first try, you will score an impressive 15 points. On the second attempt, you will earn 10 points, and on the final try, you will receive 5 points. You will have 25 seconds to answer a question, whether or not you choose to view the options. There are no negative marks in this round, and questions will not be passed to the other teams. This gives everyone a fair chance to excel. Let's get started, and all the best.
Teams, on your marks, we have our first round, and here is the grid of topics: local, Khelo India, Olympics, yoga, sports books and surprise. The first question will go to Sages. On team number 1, what's your pick of topic?
Sir, we'd like to choose local.
Vocal for local. First question of this final on your screen now. This former boxing Olympian shares his name with which president of India? Your timer will start now.
Sir, options please.
Okay, options. Here are options on your screen. Give me your first pick for plus 15. 10 seconds on the clock. Quick.
Sir, Rajendra Prasad.
You say Rajendra Prasad and you open your account with plus 15 in this final. It is indeed the correct answer, Rajendra Prasad. He was the first president of India. Well done, Team Sages. You are on 15 in the first round, and we move to KV Dantewada for our second question. One topic is down, local. 5 to choose from. What's your pick?
Say yoga.
Okay, they are going for yoga. Let's see the question. Which asana's name means the growth of fetus in the mother's womb? I want the name of the asana. Timer has started.
So options.
They are going for options. Here they are. Give me your first pick for plus 15. Quick team, 9 seconds on the clock. The time is running out. Any guesses for plus 15?
The Garbh Pindasana.
They go for Garbh Pind Asana and they also open their account with a plus 15. Well done, KV Dantewada. All the teams are looking prepared for this final. In fact, it was Garbh Pind Asana. Garbh means mother's womb and Pind is the body. Garbh Pind Asana is the correct answer. Well done, KV Dantewada. And for question number 3 of the first round, it will go to Shri Shankara Vidyalaya. 2 topics are down, 4 to choose from. What's your pick? Shri Shankara Vidyalaya. They are taking a time.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, surprise.
They want to look at the surprise question. Here it comes. Which condition occurs when the level of sodium in your blood is lower than normal? I'm looking for a particular condition when the level of sodium is lower than normal. Do you want to look at the options?
Hyponatremia.
What's the answer? Come again.
Hyponatremia.
And it will give you full house of plus 20. Well done, Shri Shankara Vidyalaya. You did not go for option. You were sure about your answer. Hyponatremia is correct. Well done, Shri Shankara Vidyalaya. 20 points to you. Full house to you in this round. We move to Mona Modern School for the last question of Get Set Go. 3 topics are down. 3 different topics still remain. What's your pick?
Sir, Olympics.
They are going for Olympics. Let's have the question. During the 1994 Winter Olympics, which specific event was represented by a pictogram inspired by an ancient cave carving? You can look at the visual. Do you want options? Mona Modern School. Do you want to have options? Time is running out. 10 seconds remaining.
Sir, options.
Options here. Give me your first pick for plus 15. Quick. Time is running out. Just few seconds left. Quick.
Sir, figure skating.
Figure skating you say, but it is not the correct answer. You gain nothing in this round, but it is very evident from the picture the answer I am looking for. Any teams without any points can give me the correct answer. Curling, ice hockey, skiing. Skiing is the answer I was looking for. You can see the picture there of carving. Skiing is the answer I was looking for. So Mona Modern School, you are not opening your account in the first round, but a long way to go in this final. So let's have a look at the scores after first round. Sages and KV Dantewada both are on 15 points, and Shri Shankara Vidyalaya opening with the banger of 20 points in the first round, and Mona Modern School is yet to open its account. Get Set Go is over and we are into the second lap. It's time for teams to gain some momentum and earn extra points because they can score a house of 25 in this round, but this round always seems to be tricky. Participants have to apply their brains and chalk out those negative options and give me the correct ones. And we are moving into the second lap. Here are the rules.
Welcome to the second lap. In this round, teams will pick their topics in reverse order, starting with the last team. Each question in this round will feature 6 images, out of which only 4 are correct. For every correct selection, your team will earn 5 points. However, be cautious. If you choose an incorrect option, your score for that question will reset to 0, and your turn will end there. If a team manages to select all 4 correct images, they will receive a bonus of 5 points. So when in doubt, it might be wiser to stop and secure the points you have. There is no passing of questions in this round. Each question comes with a maximum time limit of 45 seconds, so you'll need to be both quick and accurate. Good luck.
We are again back with the picture board, and the first question of this round will go to Mona Modern School. Here are your topics for this round: surprise, awards, sports leagues, World Cup, sporting terms and yoga. Mona Modern School, what would you like to pick?
Sir, sports leagues.
Okay, they are going for sports leagues. First question of this round coming up on your screen now. List the Indian Super League winners. As simple as that. You have to list the Indian Super League winners. Your timer has started.
Sir, Mumbai City FC.
We'll give you +5. Good start.
Sir, Kerala Blasters.
Kerala Blasters will blast your points you gain. The +5, and now you get the -5. Your score will go down to 0. Kerala Blasters is not the correct answer. The answers I was looking for were Chennaiyin FC, Bengaluru FC, Mumbai City FC and ATK Mohan Bagan. Mona Modern School, do not lose hope. 2 more rounds still to go. You have to open your account, and we quickly move to Sri Shankara Vidyalaya for the second question of this round. One topic is down, 5 to choose from. What's your pick?
Sir, World Cup.
Okay, they are going for World Cup. Let's have the question. List the teams that have won the Under-19 World Cup. The teams
India.
that won the Under-19 World Cup. +5 for India. Good start.
Australia.
Australia will give you another +5. Good going. Yes. Your third pick. Or do you want to stop?
Sir.
Are you satisfied with your 10 points, or do you want to move further and increase your points
Indies.
for plus? West Indies will give you another +5. Good going, team. Do you want to stop or continue? And
Bangladesh.
And you said Bangladesh in the last second, and you are absolutely correct. +25 to you. Zimbabwe and Sri Lanka were the incorrect answers. You have your cricket right. Australia, India, Bangladesh and West Indies are the correct answer. Well done, Sri Shankara Vidyalaya. You score a full house of 25 points in this round.
Hey there! Are you guessing the answers correctly but missing out on the rewards? Here is your 12th man chance. All you need to do is open the Fit India official Instagram page and check for the first clue in the stories. Then wait for the second clue, which will be shown on your screen in the next few seconds along with a question. Your job is to call on this number and give the answer within 5 minutes and stand a chance to win exciting prizes. Here is your second clue.
And we move to KV Dantewada for the penultimate question of this round. 2 topics are down, 4 to choose from. What's your pick?
Sir, it's yoga.
Okay, you are going for yoga, and here is your question. List the traditional schools of yoga. You just have to give me the traditional schools of yoga. Your timer will start now.
So Patanjali Yoga.
We'll give you +5. Patanjali Yoga is correct.
Moksha Yoga.
Moksha Yoga, you say. Unfortunately, it is not the correct answer. Moksha Yoga does not fit into the traditional schools of yoga. Okay, KV Dantewada, no points, but you can guess it now. What would have been your other guesses if you not had said Moksha Yoga?
So Karma Yoga.
Karma Yoga was the correct answer.
Gyan Yoga.
Gyan Yoga, yes. And the last one?
Pran Yoga.
Pran Yoga was also the incorrect answer. So the answers I was looking for: Hatha Yoga, Patanjali Yoga, Karma Yoga and Gyan Yoga. No points to KV Dantewada, and we quickly move to the last question of this round for Team Sages. 3 topics are down, 3 left. What's your pick?
Sir, surprise.
Okay, they are going for a surprise. Let's have the question. List the grappling combat sports. You have to list me the grappling combat sports. Your timer will start
Taekwondo.
now. Taekwondo, you say. And unfortunately, in the very first attempt, it is the incorrect answer. Taekwondo is not the correct answer. You will gain nothing. Taekwondo and boxing were the incorrect answers. The answers I was looking for were Jujutsu, Judo, Wrestling and Sumo. Teams have crossed the first 2 hurdles. Second lap is over. It's time to have a look at the scores. On team number 1, Sages and KV Dantewada both are on 15 points. Sri Shankara Vidyalaya leading the quiz so far with 45 points, and Mona Modern School is on 0. But we have still 2 more rounds to go. Anything can happen. In the 3rd round, it is very interesting one. Do or die, 100 point up for grabs. So do or die, here are the rules.
In Do or Die, we introduce buzzer questions. When you buzz in, you have 2 choices. Play it safe to earn 10 points, or risk losing 10 points. Or take a risk to double the points, potentially earning 20 points or risking a loss of 20 points. If the first team to buzz in answers incorrectly, the question will be passed on to the next team on the buzzer. Before providing your answer, ensure you declare whether you are playing for the default points or opting for double points. This round can significantly impact your score, so be quick, smart and confident.
Okay teams, it's everything or nothing, do or die, 100 points up for grabs. 5 questions one by one will come on your screen. First question, here we go. Bart Conner is married to which legendary Olympic gymnast and co-founded Perfect 10 production with her in 1998? Perfect 10 Productions. I'm looking for an answer. Bart Conner is married to which legendary Olympic gymnast and co-founded Perfect 10 production with her in 1998? Okay, KV Dantewada has gone for it. First double or default? KV Dantewada, quick on buzzer. Yes? Double or default?
Nadia Comaneci.
Okay, they say Nadia Comaneci, but they did not go for the double. They will settle for plus 10. They have opened this round with a plus 10. They were little excited and they answered it on the base points. Plus 10 you will get. Teams, when you get excited, you forget about double or default. It is a crucial one. It is the finals of Chhattisgarh. You have to hold your nerves. We are moving to question number 2 of this round. Teams, hands on your buzzers. Here we go. In which sport do you find pin setter, an automated mechanical device that sets pins back in their original position? You can have a close look at the visual and then arrive at your answer. Mona Modern Public School, they are desperate to get some points. Double or default?
Double.
Okay, they are going for double. Yes, Mona Modern School, what's your answer?
Sir, bowling.
They say bowling and they score a perfect 20. They double their points. They saw the visual and they were on the buzzer. Mona Modern School, they have opened their account with a brilliant answer, bowling. with plus 20 to you, and this makes the quiz interesting now. All the teams getting their act together, and I'm clearing the buzzers. Question number 3 of this round coming up on your screen now. Which recent decision, look at the visual first, which recent decision by BCCI was reflected in this Amul topical? Okay, Swami Atmananda School has gone for it, double or default?
Double, sir.
Okay, they are going for double. What's your answer?
This decision was retiring the jersey of the legendary batsman MS Dhoni, jersey number 7.
Okay, they say jersey number 7 was retired by BCCI, and he was none other than our great MS Dhoni, and you get plus 20 for this. You hit a 6 with plus 20. You know your cricket well. Well done, team Swami Atmananda. Oh, now the teams are getting into the act. Well done, sages. You get 20 and you move to 35 points. And the buzzers are clear. The penultimate question of this round coming up on your screen now. Whose statue is depicted here representing an Indian hero with the namesake hockey stadium recognized as the largest in the world? KV Dantewada has gone for it, double or default first?
Sir, double.
Okay, you are going for double. What's your answer?
Sir, Birsa Munda Hockey Stadium.
You say Birsa Munda. Are you sure?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, they say they are sure. I have no queries. Plus 20 to you on a brilliant answer, Birsa Munda. Well done, KV Dantewada. Double for you, plus 20 to you. And we are down to the last question of this round. Here we go. Which track and field event rooted in ancient hunting and initially crafted from olive wood was later adopted by soldiers in the warfare? Which track and field event was later adopted by soldiers in warfare? You can look at the visual, and KV Dantewada has again gone for it. Double or default first?
Sir, double.
Okay, they seem to be pretty sure. They are going for double. What's your answer?
Javelin throw.
Both of them say javelin throw, and you will get plus 20. Javelin throw is absolutely correct. Well done, KV Dantewada, back-to-back 20s, and you move your lead to 65 points. Oh, these are crucial doubles for you. You move to 65 points. We are done with the penultimate round of this Chhattisgarh finals. Let's have a look at the scores tally. Team number 1, Sages, is on 35. Mona Modern School is on 20. Sri Shankara Vidyalaya is on 2nd position for now. They are on 45. And KV Dantewada is on 65. We are witnessing an exhilarating final here in Chhattisgarh. And the last final round, that is final lap, here are the rules.
In the final round, you will face questions on the buzzer. Each question will present you with a statement, and your task is to buzz in and indicate whether the statement is true or false. If you answer correctly, you'll score 10 points, but a wrong answer will cost you 10 points. Additionally, you have the option to answer a follow-up question. This allows you to gain an extra 5 points or risk losing 5 points, depending on your response. However, be aware that the follow-up question can be quite challenging, so think carefully before answering. If you choose to skip the follow-up question, the next team on the buzzer will have the chance to attempt it. Good luck, and may the smartest team win.
Okay teams, hands on your buzzers. First question coming up on your screen now. Rohit Sharma holds the record for the highest individual score in a one-day international cricket match. True or false first? Okay, Swami Atmananda School has gone for it. True or false?
Sir, true.
You say true, and a crucial 10 points to you. Well done, sages. And do you want to take up the follow-up question? What is Rohit Sharma's
Yes,
highest
sir.
score Okay, you are going for the follow-up question. Let's see if you can get it. Quick.
Sir, 264. 264.
They say 264. Rohit Sharma has hit multiple 200s and they say 264. Plus 5 to you for 264. Well done, Team Sages. You open this round with a 15-pointer and this makes the scorecard very interesting. Team Sages move to 50 points. They are behind KV Dantewada, who are on 65 points. I'm clearing the buzzers. Second question coming up on your screen now. Table tennis was initially known as baby rackets. True or false? Table tennis was initially known as baby rackets. Shri Shankara Vidyalaya is first on buzzer. First, true or false?
True. Sir, true.
You say true, Shri Shankara Vidyalaya, and you get a minus 10. Minus 10 at this crucial juncture. The answer is false. And second team, KV Dantewada, they are on the buzzer. Do you want to take up the follow-up question?
No, sir.
KV Dantewada, you are not going for it. Okay, Mona Modern School, you are on the buzzer. Do you want to take up the follow-up question?
Sir.
Okay, Mona Modern School, you are going for it. What it is called? Which sport was initially known as the baby rackets? Quick. Otherwise, I'll give you minus 5.
Sir, badminton. Badminton.
Minus 5 to you for saying badminton. Minus 5. And the buzzers are closed. All the three teams that were on the buzzers, they did not get it correct. And just for no points, what's the answer, teams? Which sport was initially known as baby rackets? The answer I was looking for was squash. For this, the statement was indeed false and squash is the correct answer. The penultimate question of Chhattisgarh finals, here it comes. The sportsperson Jaipal Singh Munda was a member of Constituent Assembly of India. True or false? Shri Shankara Vidyalaya has gone for it. True or false? Quick.
Sir,
on
true.
buzzer. They are saying it true. They get their plus 10 on the penultimate question. True is the correct answer for this statement. Do you want to take up the follow-up question?
No, sir.
They are not going for the follow-up questions. On second buzzer, we have Mona Modern School. Are you going for the follow-up question? What was his most notable achievement in sports?
Sir, hockey.
Mona Modern School.
Sir, hockey.
I want what was his most notable achievement in sports? Minus 5 to you for saying hockey. It is related to it, but I want a particular answer. KV Dantewada, do you want to have the follow-up question or not?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, they are not going for the follow-up question. They are leading with 65 points. The answer I was looking for was he captained the gold medal winning hockey team at 1928 Amsterdam Olympics. Oh teams, so we are down to the last question of Chhattisgarh finals, and the last question of Chhattisgarh finals coming up on your screen now. The word hat-trick originated from football when 3 consecutive goals are scored. Okay, the team with 50 points, that is Sages, they are on the buzzer. True or false?
True.
You say true, Sages. Unfortunately, it is the wrong answer. You get a minus 10. You had to attempt this. You press the buzzer first, but it is not the correct answer. The statement is not true. Okay, we have SSV Shri Shankara Vidyalaya. Do you want to have the follow-up question? Which
Yes, sir.
game gave rise to the word hat-trick? Yes?
Sir, cricket.
You say cricket. and +5 for you for saying cricket. Indeed, hat-trick. The term comes from cricket. In old days, they were given a hat on picking up 3 wickets consecutively, and hat-trick is the right answer. You move to 50 points. And we have our national finalists from Chhattisgarh. They played superbly, KV Dantewada with 65 points. Well done, KV Dantewada. I can see your smiles. You are excited. Sages, so sorry, you played well, you were brave. You had to get the right answer on the last one. But I think it was not your day, but you played really well. Let's have a look at the final standings of the Chhattisgarh finals. Mona Modern School with 10 points, Sages School on 40 points, and Shri Shankara Vidyalaya with a 5-pointer in the last question. They are on 50. And our winners for the Chhattisgarh finals, KV Dantewada with 65 points. Many congratulations to you. And this brings us to the end of yet another exciting episode of Fit India Quiz 2023. Until next time, I'm your host Kamal Bagga signing off. Stay fit, stay healthy. Jai Hind.